Ever wondered where all your photos, files, and apps go when they are saved on the cloud? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. So, cloud computing means using the internet to store data and run programs instead of relying on your computer's hard drive. Example: think of the cloud like a big online storage locker. When you upload a photo to Google Drive, you are using the cloud. The files and software aren't stored to the device, they are kept on the powerful computers called servers in data centers, which you access through the internet. So there are various reasons to use the cloud. First is accessibility. You can access your data anytime, anywhere. You forgot an important file at home? No worries. Just open Google Drive on your phone. Second, backup and security. Even if your laptop crashes, your data is safe in the cloud. Third, collaboration. Ever edited a Google Doc with friends at the same time? That's cloud computing in action. Fourth, scalability. Businesses love the cloud because they can easily add or remove storage without buying new hardware. Types of cloud services. First, software as a service. You use apps over the internet without downloading or installing anything. Example: Google Drive, Canva. Second, platform as a service. For developers, they build apps without worrying about managing servers. Example: Google App Engine, Heroku. Third, infrastructure as a service. It gives full control. The users can rent virtual computers and storage for their big projects. Example: AWS, Microsoft Azure. So, is cloud safe? Yes, but security depends on the provider and how you protect your account. Use strong passwords and enable two factor authentication to keep your data safe. So, let's see how to get extra free Google Drive storage for free. So, create a new Google account. You will get 15 GB for free storage. Second, make a new folder in the new account's Google Drive. Third, upload your files, photos, videos, etc. to this folder and make sure you upload from the new account. Fourth, share the folder with your main account and give it editor access. Fifth, switch to your main account, go to the shared with me section and you will see the new folder. But remember, always upload files from the new account. The storage is used based on the account that uploads the files, not the one accessing them. It's like having a second locker for your stuff, but still being able to access it from your main account. Cool, right? So next time someone says it's in the cloud, you know it's just stored safely in data centers around the world. If this explanations made sense, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech explanations. And tell me in the comments below, what cloud service do you use the most? Is it Google Drive? Let's have a discussion below and see you in the next video.